What's this cool tool you got right here?
Oh, this is a Scribe. It's got different measurements here. 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4 on up the line. So if you want to make a 1/2 inch mark, use this all the time in the sheet metal shop. You just put it right on the edge. There's your 1/2 inch mark. And just go across and you got it. If I wanted a 1 inch mark, there it is. I think they're a whole $6 or something. They're made by MALCO. Handy.
So what happened?
Well, up and down it's correct. Side to side I'm a 1/2 inch short. I goofed up measuring it. That's alright, just cut another piece and do the same thing again. Okay.